So if you're like me and you like older vehicles, like my old Valiant here, but you like technology too, and if you want to be able to follow the rules of the road, all these laws that we have today center around distracted driving. Don't be distracted while you're driving. So we like hands-free. I love having hands-free stuff. It has made my life so much easier. If you're new to the channel, I drive a dump truck. I am big into the Bluetooth headsets, things that make my life easier. What I've got here is a 10.26-inch Android or Apple CarPlay. It's basically its own little stereo. You can listen to music on this without having to hook up to a stereo. It hooks up to your phone. I've got an iPhone, so it's wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. It's got speakers built in to the back. So you do not need to have even a car stereo in your car, and you can listen to podcasts, you can listen to music, anything that you've already got, if you've got Spotify or whatever on your phone. Anything that's on your phone, basically, you can listen to. I've been using it for a week. I'm in a dump truck. It's a company dump truck. It's not mine, so I have made myself a little bracket. So let's power this thing on here, and it's USB-C power. Real quick, I'll just show you the side of it. So you've got USB-C power. You've got an AV input, so this would be where a backup camera could plug in. You've got an SD card slot, and this is your auxiliary output. So how I run it in my dump truck is my stereo in my dump truck has an aux in, auxiliary in, so I just use a 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter, plug it in there, plug it into the stereo. That's really the best way that you're going to get your audio. It comes with a little mount here. Now, look ahead of time on your application if you want to get something like this. They have some that have suction cup mounts. They've got different types of mounting systems, so pay close attention to the mounting system that you're going to be using. I was hoping that I would be able to run this thing upside down. That is not the case with this. Oh, one more thing for you ASMR people. I have held back on doing this. I'm going to leave. It's got two screen protectors on there. I'm going to leave one of them on just because it's a dirty environment, but oh yeah, I don't know why people like that so much, but you do. So anyways, let's go ahead and power this thing up, and it should hook right up to the phone here. Doesn't take too terribly long. Most of these are going to be pretty close to the same. Your higher end models are going to give you some different options. I cannot for the life of me figure out how to not get the key taps, the little stuff like that. It will auto dim, which I very much appreciate, especially when I'm out driving around early in the morning. So Apple CarPlay, boom. Oh, there we go. So that is what you will get. Now, if you have a newer car, you already know what this is. Let's just play 5 seconds of this so we don't get dinged.
God, it's Friday.
Okay, keep their heads ringing. Shut that off now so I don't get dinged by YouTube. But it does have speakers in the back. They don't sound the greatest, but it will do whatever it is that you need to do. You've got maps. You can use your Apple Maps, your Google Maps, whatever. So you've got messages. I like the fact that my messages will read out loud to me. You can shut that on or shut that off, turn it on, however you want. There's all kinds of different settings in here. And announce messages, I definitely have that. Appearance, I like the dark. I do like the dark maps, so we'll take care of that. Those are also, let's see what else we've got. Different wallpapers that we can do. I do like just the black wallpaper. You can set these up, show your album art, Siri, so you can just say, "Hey Siri," and it will pop up. Call wifey.
Sorry, I can't show the result to you while you're in the car.
Okay. So let's go back. Hey Siri. Message wifey.
What do you want to say to wifey?
I love you.
It says, I love you. Send it?
Yes.
Done.
That's what I really like about this is I do not have to pick up my phone while I'm driving and really do much of anything. I can just say, those words, and it will allow me to do many different things. It does have an option where you can just turn off the screen right there, a little button on top. Here's a little basic mount that I made, so you'll be able to see how it's going to work once I get it in the truck. But that's all I did. Took some pretty heavy duty metal and bent it, beat the shit out of it, and there you go. Well, here is the setup that I came up with for the truck, at least for the time being. I think this will work out pretty well. I do need to tuck those wires away a little bit, but I've got my phone here. I've got my Blue Tiger headset there. Go watch a review on that if you like. Very good headset. And I've got my new wireless CarPlay display here, and I'm loving it. It's really convenient. So if I'm driving down the road, I don't have far to look to see the maps. You can expand the map if you want, make it bigger. If you're wanting to watch or listen to some music, you can pull that up. It's got everything that a regular CarPlay in the newer cars will have, and I'm pretty happy with it. So there's my little bracket that I made. Just real simple, along with a couple of C-clamps. Probably about 12 bucks I've got invested in that whole bracket. So pay attention if you do want to get one of these. Pay attention to what the mounts look like. Like I said, they've got all different kinds. This will work for me. So, but that's what I'm working with here. It just basically keeps me from having to take my eyes off the road and look down here at the phone. And I really like the convenience of it. I love the fact that it reads my text messages out loud. I can do everything hands-free for the most part, and works with Siri. Should work wonderfully with Android, Samsung, whatever you got. Should work out just fine. So that's it. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching. I will leave a link down in the description for this particular unit, but like I said, I'm not necessarily reviewing this particular unit. I just like the functionality of the CarPlays themselves. So go check this one out. I paid $69.99 for it. It was 30 bucks off. I looked and it's still $30 off. So it's usually 100 bucks. I got it for 30 off. So paid 70 bucks for it. I think it's money well spent, especially if you're in the vehicle quite a bit and you've got something that just does not have that capability. So have a good one. Thanks.